Hi, hope you're fine. Welcome back to Ateeq Dental Care English. Tartar deposition on teeth is very common problem which ultimately lead to gum recession, bad breath from the mouth, high chance of cavities and bleeding from the gums. So what is the difference between dental plaque and tartar? Dental plaque is basically a soft layer of microbes also called as biofilm, and when this layer calcify becomes hard, then we term this as tartar or dental calculus. So how can we remove it at home? Usually, the definite treatment for tartar is teeth scaling and polishing, and sometimes root planing. We have to go to dentist for scaling. The problems are we don't remove the root cause of tartar formation. We go to dentist repeatedly, even after every 3 months, after every 6 months, but we do not remove the root cause of formation of dental calculus or dental tartar. The basic tools of prevention of tartar at home is a simple soft bristle toothbrush. You have to place it at 45 angle, called as modified Bass technique, at gum line and move from upward towards downward, and for lower, downward towards upward, and from inner side, back and forth motion, and for upper, back and forth to clear all surfaces of the teeth. And dental floss once a day to prevent tartar deposition between the teeth surfaces. In spite of all these efforts, we see a lot of patients with heavy calculus or tartar inside their teeth surfaces. So, this video is a blessing for you. It will tell you the ways to prevent or early stoppage of tartar formation at home. Number one method is aloe vera. You just go to a nursery to get a natural plant of aloe vera and then cut a leaf of aloe vera and extract aloe vera gel from natural leaf. Then apply this gel on the tooth and teeth surfaces for 2 to 3 minutes. Rub gel over the teeth surfaces vigorously, and after 2 to 3 minutes rinse with hot saline water thoroughly, and then brush like you routinely do your brushing. Aloe vera gel is unique in removing the tartar at early stage and preventing its deposition because it contains two special ingredients. One is saponins and other is malic acid, which has the ability to remove the hard deposits from the teeth surfaces without destruction of tooth structure. This is a very unique feature. Otherwise, in market, other methods like citric acid and vinegar all are destructive to the teeth surfaces. Second thing, also very important, second way of removing the tartar or preventing at home is sesame seeds. You have to chew the sesame seeds vigorously in your mouth to make a paste form. When you see there is a creation of a paste, then brush it thoroughly. It also can remove the early dental tartar or also polish the surfaces of your teeth to prevent the future buildup of the tartar. Third method is oil pulling. In morning, when you wake in the morning, just put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in your mouth and then swish around your mouth like this for 2 to 3 minutes, then spit it out. After 20 to 30 minutes, go to brushing like you do daily. And twice a day brushing is recommended before going to bed and before the breakfast. Simple method I told in this video. Number one, aloe vera gel. Number two, sesame seeds. And number three, oil pulling with sesame oil. Hopefully, these natural ways of removal and prevention of tartar will be beneficial to you. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.